Oh. Hi, Lacey. You want to come and finish eating? Yes. All right. You can finish eating what you started eating. Don't worry about Solo. I'll leave him outside. Oops. Stay in here, Solo. It's okay. You go eat, Lacey. Don't worry about him. You go eat your food, sweetie. You go eat. Come on. Come on, you eat over here, sweetie. Yes, you go eat. You left a big old mess. Yes, you did. Now come on and eat. I don't want to eat now. So, don't eat. Alright, you go eat a little later, but you left all that, sweetie. I'll eat later. Alright. It's alright, sweetie. I'm crazy with it. Alright, Lacey. I'll feed you around back.